Hey, what's up? This is KH's for After Effects tutorial channel, and here is another very exciting tutorial. How to create iPhone 14 mobile animation in Element 3D and After Effects 3ds Max. Let's start. There I created iPhone 14, a sample of the model with the basic lenses. Then Ctrl S, select all, go to File and Export, select it, Desktop, and select OBJ, name here iPhone 14. Then save. After this, go to After Effects, create a new composition, right here iPhone 14. Then press enter and then Ctrl plus Y, create a new solid, right here mobile. Press enter and go to effect, video copilot, element 3D, then go to scene setup. And now press import, select iPhone OBJ, select the physical shader. If you select the standard shader, if your model has some problems in polygon 3D modeling, then use auto normals, press OK. OK. There is the mobile. Select the mobile, move it up, then open the textures. There is the common texture of the mobile frame. Go to presets, physical, drop a texture, change the material, the iPhone 14 material, like this. Okay, here I have created the mobile and then material in Element 3D with all textures. So now time to change the reflection environment. Go to environment, go to materials, so environment, backlight environment, select 2K. I think this environment is just for iPhone 14. It's looking pretty good. Press open, OK, and now time to change, stylize. Wow, looking better. Press OK. OK, select the mobile and go to group 1, particle look, scale up the size and go to particle replicator, move it down and create a new camera, 24, press OK. Select the mobile and go to render setting, then lighting, select stylize or cinema. Rotate the camera movement. Looking good. Okay, let's create environment for the background. New solid. Right here, horizon, press enter and go to documents, video copilot, materials, environment, backlight, 4K. There is the backlight of the iPhone. Press import. So when you select the background, turn off the imported JPEG sequence, press import. Okay, move it down, go to horizon, select the effect of trap code horizon and image bitmap, select backlight 4K and move the horizon down of the mobile material. Select the mobile and go to layer camera setting and then select 15. Press OK. Okay, now change the size of iPhone mobile and move it down. Okay, I think create another effect, camera lens blur. Double click, change the camera lens blur more darker. I think let's select another darker material. Right click, replace footage file. Select a different darker material. Where is darker material? Select this one. Okay, rotate. Looking good. Select the mobile and go to effect. Then open additional lighting and rotation. Move the mobile camera. Stopwatch. Go to 5 seconds. Animate the all rates like this. Okay, play now. Here is. Let's animate. Zoom the mobile and rotate like this. Select the camera, change it 24 again and zoom out. Let's rotate. Okay, let's animate the camera one. Go to second, go to edit, split layer, go to forward, edit, split layer. Come to camera one, press P, close it, open again, turn on all. Little bit, move it orbit and move it down like this. Play now. Not bad. Let's go to another camera. Rotate like this. Zoom in. Open the camera setting and transform, turn on all and go to end of second 4. Select the orbit camera 2, orbit like this, a little bit zoom out and move it up, good, little bit orbit. Let's check which orbit looking better. Okay, and now time to camera 3. Select the camera and open, transform, stopwatch all and go to end, zoom out the mobile and orbit like this. Zoom out and move it center, a little bit rotate. Good. Let's press Ctrl K for the composition setting. Change it from 5 seconds to 8 seconds. Press OK and zoom out the composition. Select first these 3 layers. Then select the third camera and select the keyframes. Go to second 6 15 frames and then go to mobile and press U. Here is the mobile lighting animation keyframes. Set the keyframes to 5 seconds and change it more like this. Good. I think let's create a plan for the mobile reflection floor. Go to scene setup and then create a plan, scale up the size, a huge plan, huge stage. Then move it down, right click, reflect, mirror surface, change to group 2 and press OK. So Ctrl Z. Where is the reflection? Let's see. Where is the reflection? Close it. Create another new plan. Right click. Mirror surface. Drop this and scale up the size. Huge size. Press OK again. Good. So let's render first. I think let's render. Okay guys, there is the render final of the project. iPhone 14. I changed the environment background, a different background. That was backlight 4K 13. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe the channel. I'll see you next time.